What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lip swatch for you guys. As you can tell, my lips are pretty beat up from this video that I made for you guys, but I did pick up some lipsticks from Celavi Cosmetics and I wanted to swatch them for you so you guys can see the quality. But go ahead and grab a snack. You guys already know. Stay, enjoy, and let's get into it. I would say overall some of the lipsticks were really good, really pigmented. They were all really pigmented, but some of them were just kind of like, and then they were not for me. They were not my skin tone. They were not, they just were not. They were no, big no. But overall they were still absolutely amazing.